Hey, this is Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And the question is, how do I count my words in a Google Doc? I can't find the answer. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I get it. It's slightly hidden. I want to do view and view. I want to look for, where is it? Where's how do I see it? It's just not there. File, edit. If actually file, you can go to document details. I think word count's in there. I'm wrong. It's not. So file, it's not there. It's not under edit. It's all the way over here under tools, word count. And it's Shift Command or Shift-Ctrl C, and it brings up this. And actually I can do a word count while typing, and so that'll show up. So I can show that. I'll show you how that works. But this is where it is: number of pages, number of words, characters, and characters excluding spaces. And I hit OK, and look down here. Because I turned it on, it's down here. And I can hit this arrow right here, and I can hide word count. And then to bring it back up, it's Shift-Command-C. And there it is there. Turn it back on and show me so I can keep typing and see what's going on. Pretty easy once you discover where it's hidden. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.